Hi, I'm Alex, your host for this week's Feature Friday. The holidays are almost here, and for retailers, that typically means a heavy promotional time of year. Customers expect deals on Black Friday and Cyber Monday, and most retail teams have their promo calendars set months in advance. We thought this would be a good time to discuss some new features we launched in our promotions engine. Let's have a look. This is Fabric's Copilot, our easy-to-use intuitive UI for operators. At Fabric, we have always had a very robust promotions engine, giving online marketers and merchants the ability to create dozens of different promo types. By going into our promotions module, I can easily manage or create promotions. From basic percentage off to complex buy get configurations, our customers can cover a wide range of promo types. Our recent launch focuses on the usability of the promo engine, with upgrades to make the creation and management of promotions even easier. As you can see here, we have created a step-by-step workflow to make the promotion creation process simple and effective. Step 1 is to choose the promo type. Step 2 is to create the basic details. Step 3 gives options to define the conditions. In this case, we are creating a spend get promo where if a customer spends $250, they get 20% off of their order. Step 4 is to assign any stocking rules that may be relevant. So do I want this promotion to be able to be combined with any other existing promotions? And if so, what is the priority this promotion should get? In this case, we will allow for stacking and assign a medium priority for this spend get promotion. Once these easy steps are followed, we are taken to a final screen to review and publish the promotion. Here we see the promotion details, including the start and end date, and the conditions of the promo. And we are ready to publish. Creating and managing complex promotions can be a cumbersome and time-consuming process. Our goal is to make this job as easy as possible while still providing robust capabilities. I hope you found this helpful. Tune in for our next Feature Friday, and don't forget to check out fabric.inc to see how our products could help your business. Thank you and have a great weekend.